in this video first, but I don't want to pass up the chance to show you something while I'm in the middle of something. Melissa's 88 Volvo decided to spin some bearings on the alternator. Well, the inside got touched a little bit. We had to retest the stator. 1, 2, and 3 legs. This is wired to star. It's a Bosch alternator. And you'll notice that these coils right here, we're looking at 1, 2, 3 pieces of land in the middle, 3 lands in the middle, and then you're going to notice that it's only 4 windings, and it's 14 gauge. That's alright. When it gets around here times 12, 4 times 12, looking at 48 windings, and then we got another phase, 4 more windings. The first phase is here, next phase is here. That's wrapped with these 3 in the middle, and the next one is back here. Actually, this one was put on first, then they did this phase, then they did this phase. All the way around. It's wrapped this way, then the next one's wrapped this way. Well, where's the magnets? This is the magnets. These slip rings right here have wire coming down inside of them. They're thick pieces of copper, and they're insulated from each other, and also insulated from the shaft. This is the new bearing I put on. There's the old one. Down inside there's all the little balls. Fell apart when we took it to get it off. Here's the other bearing. all this framework that's supposed to hold all these balls in place is basically all tore up. I guess the grease came out of them. I'm going to play with those. Well, anyway, so this one's replaced, and this one here is replaced. This one here is replaced. Inside here, you'll notice there's a coil, a wire as big as the whole inside of that. This wire coming off the slip ring here goes inside to the start. The other one goes to the finish. So DC is applied to here. The faster this goes, the less current is needed to create 12 volts electricity out of these. So it makes the electromagnet weaker because it's spinning faster. You usually get so many volts per RPM. So anyway, these 2 slip rings, power is transferred into here. The electromagnetic coil is set to where north is this way and south is this way, depending on your polarity. So this is north, this is south, this is north. See? North, south, north, not south, north. And the same thing will come in here. While it's spinning, it's going 1 field at a time. By the time it goes here, it's done a full cycle. And done again, it's a full cycle. There is 12 coils on each set. Anyway, so that's how that works. I got to get this on my old lady's car. Oh, the other thing here, they wanted to charge me $171 for an alternator. Well, here's the old brushes and the thing here. We got a new one. Got some brushes over there. I'm going to rebuild this anyway. There's the spring and the other brush. Here's the new one. Look how long them brushes are. That's going to operate nice. That's the voltage regulator and the brushes. All of this, the 2 bearings and that, to rebuild this, after I've checked the coils and everything, cost me $29. And the man didn't have change, so I gave him $30. Anyway, so $171 or $30. I'm Scott Brown with Green Wind and Other Home Energies. Many good things to you and yours. Alright, so let's go ahead and slap this thing together. This end had the small bearing and the brush and the slip rings. Just slide it inside here. Fits in real nice. That's where she sits. Notice it doesn't have much room to move around. Notice this has a plate behind it. It's supposed to go up to here. And I'd like to have this thing right side up. I think I marked it. This is going to be the top. That's where I want it. Somewhere like this. So I guess that's it. That's close enough. There we are. Alright, well, I got this kind of loose here. Got to get that plate up under here for that seal. And I'm going to go ahead and put these in. Help keep everything lined up. A couple turns in. One of these I marked. It's supposed to have the long one. Not that one. Not that one. That's the one. There we go. Put these brushes, the old one in here. I'll rebuild these later. This nut goes on the back of this one when it comes out. Alright, there's the big Phillips. Really wasn't all that hard. Screw good would have been faster. Well, I don't put them down real tight. I want to be able to take it apart someday. 90% of the people that turn a wrench turn it too tight. Just snug it up. A little extra snug. That's all you need. There you go. There's the ground. Alright, everything's set here. I got to get these into that plate. I think that's close to lined up. Caught. Another one on the opposite side. That plate up a little bit. There it is. Those two lined up. I can line the other ones up. One more here. One more here. Okay, that's done. On this side, you'll notice right here you have a terminal. Copper. Kind of springy. Voltage regulator. This little piece of metal right here makes contact with that as it goes in, and then these slide in over there to the slip rings. You got to get this in just right. The brushes will want to fight you a little bit. There we go. So if you keep that in mind, if they're trying to push you away, you'll be alright. Let's see, I have to put this one on. There it is. And in that short amount of time, we just rebuilt that alternator. Didn't need that much. Just needed some bearings. 2 bearings, new voltage regulator, 2 brushes. $30. Wanted to buy it new? Would have cost you well over $200. $30, rebuild it on your own. I'm Scott Brown with Green Wind and Other Home Energy. Get into one a little later on, a little more detail. Thank you for watching. Many good things to you and yours.